Good morning, student. In the previous class, we have seen questions of chapter integral. Okay, now student, today we will see questions of chapter application of integral. Okay, let's see. Our first question is: find the area of region xy such that x square plus y square less than equal to 1 and this is less than equal to x plus y. Okay, find the area of region bounded by the curve x square plus y square less than equal to 1 and less than equal to x plus y. So from here student, we are seeing that there are two equations. X square plus y square is 1, x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, now we will make the graph of this. Here we are seeing that this is first equation, which is the equation of circle whose radius is 1 and center is 0, 0. So make the circle. Okay, this x-axis, y-axis, origin, x dash, y dash, and this is our 1, 0 point. Okay, so the circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is 1, whose graph is this. Now another equation is x plus y is 1. So from here we are saying our x intercept is 1, y intercept is also 1. So student, the line which will be passed from this point. So we have to find out the region between circle and this line. So this will be the region, I think. So it will be A, B. So we have to find out the area of the region A, C, B, A. Okay, so this is our target, which is find out the region area of the region A, C, B, A by using integration method. Okay, student. Now we will start. So for this, our area will be what? Area of region A, C, B, A is given by 0 to 1 limit, and this is y dx, which is y1 minus y2 dx. Here is y1 is our first curve of circle, which is 1 minus x square, and y2 is 1 minus x dx. So when we separate the limit, we will get this. Okay, student. Now we will apply the formula under root a square minus x square. So you know it is 1 by 2 under bracket x minus x square plus a square sin inverse x by a. Okay. So this will be from 0 to 1 and this is x minus x square by 2 and 0 to 1. Okay. So now we have, after solving this, we get our required result, student. Okay. So it will be what? When I will put the value of limit, we get our result. Okay, so let 1 by 2, this term will be 0 when putting 1, here 1 minus 1 is 0, and this term will be sin inverse 1. Now minus, we will put this 0 here, this will be again 0, this term will be 0, so here will be just sin inverse 1 minus 1, and here it will be what? 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 0. So this is 1 by 2, sin inverse 1 will be what? Pi by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so it will be what? Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 square unit. Okay, student. So our area of the region x square plus y square is less than 1, less than equal to x plus y will be what? 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 square unit. I hope you understand, students. Let's see. First, what we will do, we will make the diagram of this both curve. Okay. After this, we will find out the common region between these two curves. So we are seeing that A, C, B. A is the common region. So we have to find out the area of the common region. Okay. A, C, B, A. Now, for find out the area, what we will take? We will take area limit from 0 to 1, y1 dx, and y1 will be the curve of circle, and minus we will do this curve, which is the line passing through intercept A and B, okay, which cut at x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Now, this will be y1 minus y2 and limit 0 to 1, okay. Now we will put the value of y1 and put the value of y2, and after we know the integration of a square minus x square is 1 by 2 x under root 1 minus x square and plus sin inverse x by a, okay. A square sin inverse x by a, so a is 1, so a square means 1, so we will write 1 into sin inverse x and limit from 0 to 1, and this is x minus x square by 2, 0 to 1. After putting all the value, we are getting our result, which is 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, student, I hope you understand. Now we take another question. The next question is, prove that the curve y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Divide the area of the square bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. Okay, student? So this is the information we have to given, and we have to show that prove that the curve y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 4y. Divide the area of the square bounded by these into 3 equal parts. Okay. So 3 equal parts are there. X, y, x dash, y dash, 0. Okay. Now student, question says that y square is equal to 4x. So it will be what? Y square is equal to 4x. So its graph here about will be like this, and x square is equal to 4y. So x graph will go from here about this. So this is y square is equal to 4x. X square is equal to 4y. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 means x axis and y axis, and x is equal to 4 means parallel to y axis. Okay. X is equal to 4 means at the point 4 this is okay, and y is equal to 4 means this is okay, and the intersection point of these two curves will be what? Put the value of y x to the power 4y 16 is equal to 4x, and this will be it will be x cube is equal to 64, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, so y is equal to 4. So intersection point of these two curves is 4 and 4, and this point is 4, 0, and this is 0, 4. So we have to show that student the area of this region, first, second and third, are equal. We have to show that this area of region, first region, second region, third region are equal. So first we will find the area of first region. So area of first region is equal to what? 0 to 4 limit, and y1 minus y2. y1 is, this is parallel to x-axis, so this is x is equal to 4, so y is equal to 4, so y1 4 minus, and this is y2, so this will be root 2 root x, 2 root x dx. Okay, 0 to 4, 4 minus 2 root x. Okay. Now we will integrate this and get our result. So it will be 4x minus 2, and this is x to the power 1 by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. This is 0 to 4, 16 minus 4 by 3 square. We are putting 4 here. Square root of 4 is to the power 3, so it will be changed in 8, and this is minus 0. Now it will be 48 minus 6, 1 by 3. So area of first region is, we are getting 16 by 3 square unit. Okay student, now we will find the area of second region. Area of second region. So area of second region is, in this region we are seeing that the curve which is involved, which is y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. So we will take first y1 from limit 0 to 4 and 2 root x minus x square by 4dx. Okay student, we will take these two curves, okay, for finding out area of this region. So it will be what? Now we will integrate this, so we get 2 x to the power 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus, this is x cube by 3 okay, x cube by 3, and this is 0 to, and this term is into 4. Okay, now we will put the line limit here and get our result. So this 2 will be here, so it will change in 4 by 3. Okay, now put the limit. So we are getting 4 by 3 into, put 4, square root will be what? 3, square root of 4 will be 2, 2 to the power 3 is 8, minus again 4, 4, 4, 64 by 4 into 3 and minus 0. Now we get what? 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3. So again we are getting student 16 by 3 square unit. So area of first region is 16 by 3 square unit. Area of second region is 16 by 3 square unit. Now we will find the area of third region. Okay student. So let's see, the area of third region is is 0 to 4, y is equal to x square by 4 minus just 0 to 4 this. So it will be 1 by 4 x cube by 3 and this is 0 to 4. So 1 by 12 and this is 64 and it will be again 4 into 3, so it will be 16 by 3. So we are seeing that student, the area of first region is third region is also 16 by 3 square unit. Area of second region is 16 by 3 square unit. Area of first region is 16 by 3 square unit. Hence it proves that the area of the three region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 will be equal, which will be 16 by 3. Okay. So what we have done, we have first made the graph of these two curves, and from the given information we have made parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. The intersection point of these two curves is 4 and 4. Okay. Now we have find out the area of first region, which is 0 to 4 limit, which is from 0 to 4. 4 minus 2 x dx. After solving we get 16 by 3 square unit. Area of second region 0 to 4 to x minus x square by 4 dx. After solving we are getting again 16 by 3. Now area of first region, which is also given to us, so 0 to 4 x square by 4 dx. Now putting the limit here we are getting again 16 by 3. So from here, in this way we can say that the area of all region will be equal, that is 16 by 3. I hope you understand students. Let's see next question. So next question is, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis and the line y is equal to x, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. So student, we have to given the radius of this is 4 root 2. Okay, so circle whose radius is 4 root 2, 0. Okay. Now y is equal to x, and the line y is equal to x means line which is passing through the origin. So we can draw the line y is equal to x. So this is the bounded region which we are getting from here. Now we'll find out the intersection point of these two curves. Okay, so point A is x square plus x square 4 root 2 whole square. We can write this 32. So 2x square is 32, x square is 16, x is 4. X is 4, so it means that y is also 4. So the intersection point of these two curves will be what? 4, 4. Now we have to find out the area of this bounded region. So this is we are taking, this is the point B and this is C. Okay, and the coordinate of C is 4, 0. Okay, student. So area of bounded region will be what? 0 to 4 and y dx. So x minus x dx and 4 to 4 root 2. Okay, and circle y dx again. So we can write 32 minus x square dx. Okay, now this is we can integrate this. So we get x square by 2. This is from 0 to 4, and here is a square minus x square. So this will be 1 by 2 under root x under root 32 minus x square plus y square, sorry, a square is 32 sin inverse x by a. A is 4 root 2. 4 to 4 root 2. Okay. Now we will put the value of, so we get 4 square which is 16 by 2 which is 8 minus 1 by 2 and then we will put the limit. This term will be 0 here, 32 sin inverse, and this is 4 root 2 by 4 root 2 minus here we are getting 4 under root 4 square which is 16, 32 minus 16, and 16 the square root of 16 is 4 plus 32 sin inverse. After putting here 4 and 4 will reduce, we get 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is sin pi by 4 8 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 32 into sin inverse, this will be cancelled here 1, so it will be pi by 4. Sin inverse 4 root 2 upon 4 root 2 will cancel 1 pi by 4 minus 60 and minus 32, and it will be pi by 4 again. Okay, student. Now, after further calculation, after solving this, we get a result 4 pi minus 2. Okay, student. So area of the bounded region between the curves y is equal to x and x square plus y square is equal to 32 will be what? Our region will be what? 0, O, B, A, O. Okay. So area of this region will be area of O, C, A plus C, B, A. Okay. So first of all we will find out the intersection point with these two curves, which is 4 and 4. Then we will find the area of this common region, which will be from 0 to 4 x dx by this curve minus 4 to 4 root 2 y dx, which is root 32 minus 4x square. And after integration and putting the value of limit, we get our required result. I hope you understand, students. Let's see another question. Our next question is find the area of the smaller region x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is 1. Okay. X square by 9 plus y square by 4, which is equal to 1, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse in which a is greater than b, because a is 3 and b is 2. So our major axis is x axis. So we made the ellipse x, y dash, x dash, y dash origin, and this is a0. So this is 3, 0, and this is 0, 2. And student, this is the intercept form of line. Okay, where x intercept a is 3, y intercept 2, b is 2. So the line passing through the point this and this is a and this is b, and coordinate of a and b are 3, 0, 0, 2. The smaller region is this. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. So find out the area of this region. We will first find out. We will write the area. Okay. So from here we will take the value of y. So y will be what? 1 minus x square by 4. So y square is 4, and this is under root 4 minus x square by 2. Okay, student. Y square is equal to 4 minus x square by 4. This is under root. Okay. And this is y square by 4. This will be cancelled. So y square is equal to 4 minus x square. And from here also we can write y is 1 minus x by 3. So 3 minus x by 3, and this is 2. So y is equal to 2 by 3, 3 minus x. Okay. Now we will write the area of bounded region. Bounded region will be what? 0 to 3 y ds, which is covered by the ellipse. So this will be 4 minus x square, and minus this will be covered by the line, so this is 2 by 3 a minus x dx. Okay, now we'll integrate this and find the value of the bounded region. Okay, here is 9, sorry. So this is 9 and this is 9, so it will not be cancelled. So y will be under root, so it will be 2 by 3 9 minus x square, so it will be 2 by 3 9 minus x square. Okay, I hope you understand. And now take this 2 by 3 outside. Our integration is 0 to 3 9 minus x square minus 3 minus x dx. Now integrate this. Here we apply the formula of root a square minus x square. Okay, student. So we write 1 by 2 x plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, which is 3, and this is minus 3x minus x square by 2, and putting the limit 0 to 3. Now we'll further solve it and get 2 by 3, and this is, here limit is 0 to 3. Now put here 3, so it will be 0, so 9 by 2, and this is sin inverse 3 by 3, so it will be sin inverse 1, so it will be what? 5 by 2 minus, this quantum will be 0, and minus this will be 9 minus 9 by 2. So further solving, after solving we get 3 pi by 2 minus 3. 3 pi by 2 minus 3. So this will be the area of the bounded region. I hope you understand, students. Okay, thank you.